Hey, what's good everybody, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and setup for this budget multicolor smart LED bulb, which does not require a hub for smart features, but works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Before I dive in, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you'll know when new videos are posted on my channel at all times. So let's take a look at the box here. Very simple presentation. This is called the Govee. I hope I'm saying that correctly, but Govee smart LED bulbs, as you see there. Made in China, and very simple presentation as far as the box is concerned. Let's go ahead and open up this box. And there they are right here. It's nice that they give you two bulbs instead of just one. There's one right here. And let's see. So it looks like this is all that comes in the package besides the two bulbs. Some contact information and a manual. Multiple languages. Let's see here. So more than likely you just have to download the app and get it set up. So that's what I'm going to do. Search for this in the Google Play Store and then go from there. Now you will just go ahead and do a search for Govee, and I'll have a link posted in the description. But let's go ahead and install this here. Govee Home. And let's go ahead and tap open. And then this is just navigating you through the app on how to use certain functions or features. Just tap the screen to get through it. So you would tap this to select your bulbs. And here is LED bulbs, so you'll tap that. And then you'll go ahead and tap here, Wi-Fi RGB LED bulbs. And then create an account. So I'll go ahead and create the account. Now once you signed in, again, go ahead and tap the Wi-Fi bulbs and it's going to tell you what you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get my lamp. So the next step now is to go ahead and install one of these bulbs so that we can get it synced up to the Wi-Fi network. So it states, after installing the bulb, turn the switch on and off within 5 seconds. Then turn on after 2 seconds. Repeat the on off for 5 times until you see the bulb breathing in warm white after opening. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So it looks like I was able to get it done within 4 attempts instead of 5. Then it says, see the bulb breathing and warm. So I'm going to go ahead and tap it. Do it here. Give it access. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter my details here. So now it states, connect the Wi-Fi starting with that SSID in your phone, then return to the Govee Home app after succeeded to connect. So let's do that. Go ahead and continue. Then you have this little countdown here. And you should see this after some time. And now you can name your device. You can name it bedroom or whatever you desire to name it. So now I'm right in the settings of the bulb. And right now it's on the color mode. You have a color mode and you have a scenes mode. So right now we're in the color mode. So if I want to change the light to blue, I'll just tap the blue square, and that's blue, green, purple, orange, etc. You can also adjust colors here. What else here? So you can go to white if you want. You can put it back on warm by just simply sliding over here. As you see there. So many different options. Let me get it focused here. So many different options. If we go to scenes now, you can choose something like breathe. So you get like a pulse. You can see that there. Or let's say, let's choose romantic. It gradually changes. Or let's see, get another focus. Energetic. Let's see what that does. Pretty cool. So, the app is really simple to use. Yeah, the app is pretty simple to use. Let's see. You got a timer on there. Set this up with your Google Assistant. It's pretty simple. Same thing with Alexa, but I do a quick demo. Now, to set this up with your Google Assistant is really simple. All you need to do is just tap Add, tap Setup, tap here. And then you're going to search for Govee and add it like you would any other account. Tap Govee Home. And then you're going to sign in. And this is sign into a room here. And that should be it. So let's test it out. Hey Google, change bedroom lamp to green.
Okay, changing the bed lamp to green.
And that's it. Hey Google, change bedroom lamp to purple. All right, and also these lamps are dimmable. Let's give this a shot. Hey Google, dim bedroom lamp to 20%. Okay. Hey Google, dim bedroom lamp to 5%. There you go. Hey Google, max bedroom lamp. So it's dimmable. You can change colors. Hey Google, let's change it to another color. Change bedroom lamp to blue. And there you have it. So this smart bulb is available on Amazon. If you're interested, please use my links in the description as it helps me out. Now this bulb is available on Amazon. And if you're interested, please head to the description and use the link there as it truly helps me out. So as you can see, you are able to get premium features from this smart bulb at a budget price. The cost of this is $22.99, and right now they're offering a 10% off coupon on Amazon. If you are interested, please go to the description and use my link as it truly helps me out. I'm not sure how long that 10% coupon is going to be there, so if you are interested, it's best to act fast. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.